Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be combining a few of my favorite product research techniques into a hopefully new product research technique that maybe you haven't seen before. Strategy is particularly helpful for beginners as it really focuses on finding opportunities for which there aren't many sellers yet. Really quick before we get into that, I want to let you know that I made a free 7-day challenge for beginning Amazon sellers with the goal being to get you to have the skill to identify real opportunities from fake ones or ones that will lose you money. The number of videos that I have seen where someone says, this is a good product idea, and it's just not, like we just lose you money every which way but Sunday. Is that a saying? I don't know, it should be. No good. So I wanted to create something. I spent like a whole day working on this. You're gonna get an email from me once a day for 7 days, giving you an advanced over-the-shoulder look at how to actually identify opportunities from someone who actually does this business. Use the first link in the description to join that. My gift to you. Thank you. The way that this works, you're all probably familiar with Helium 10. You're familiar with Helium 10. I know you are. You enter a keyword into this tool called Magnet by Helium 10. How many times can I say it? And it helps you find search terms that are relevant to the term you entered. Now, most people use this for keyword research, not so much for product research. But I've been using it creatively for product research, so check this out. I can enter a letter even into here, and it's tied into the autofill from Amazon. So now, if I go through the alphabet, I just started with C, start with whatever letter you want, and I go maybe C and then a vowel, okay? So I go CA, okay? So we have cat litter, cat tree, castor oil, candy, cat melatonin. So as you can see, what this does is it generates a lot of keywords, 1,700 in fact. And so what I can do is I can come up here and I can say only show me keywords with over 1,000 searches per month. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is not a filter, but it is a Magnet IQ score. And I could say, okay, over 1,000 per month, and then only show me the highest IQ scores. Now I know you guys don't like to read these little text bubbles that come up above it, so I'm going to make you read it right now with me. Score based on the ratio of estimated search volume versus number of competing products. Okay. High score means high number of searches compared to the number of competitors. Low score means the opposite. So high scores indicate that there are significantly more searches than there are relevant results, okay? Competing products showing up for that thing. So obviously, if I were to take something like 24,000 and look at 109 competing products, that ratio is far lower than 377,000 to 172 competing products. You see what I'm saying? So there's more individual searches per competing product. And so what we can do with that is maybe those search volumes are actually a little bit too high for a beginner seller. I wouldn't recommend going after something with 377,000 search volumes. It's ridiculous. Okay, you're not going to survive that. But if we come in here, we see 13,000 or 8,000. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. It is sorted by Magnet IQ score, so inevitably we could just look through here and look at the viability of each keyword. Okay, some things that are name brands won't work. Some things that are like electronic, or the classic things. Okay, it's not total beginner's guide to product research. Some of you guys know this stuff. Okay, but the strategy is interesting. So let's try and look through here. A cat calming diffuser, 11,000 search volume, high cost per click. 280. Okay, does that mean that these are refills for that thing? There's repurchasability. Is that why that cost per click is so high? My mind starts to go there, right? A lot of the times it's like, when would it be profitable? Not would it be profitable. If there's a high cost per click, it means the customer is worth competing for. Okay, generally that is a sign that I kind of said that like Trump a little bit. Generally there's a sign that there's repeat purchase, there's a customer worth fighting for there, there's a reason to hold it up high. Okay, so 18,000, let's see, a lot of these don't have sales ranks. That's a little concerning when you see that. And then right off the bat, when you see a total market revenue that large, $5 million, that's going to be a little rough. I really don't like the amount of information that I have about this market. It's making me feel a little sketched out, but it actually is a repurchasable product. Yes, there are absolutely premium versions of this product. This one's $64.99. 24, 22, 20, 20, 20, 55. So there's a premium side to this market. I have a video coming out soon that's talking about lessons beginners miss. In that preview here, one of the things that I say is there should already be a premium bracket carved out of your market. There should be some indication of a customer being willing to pay a higher price here. I don't want to come in and see everyone's at 11 and go, some jackass goes, I'll sell for 40. I don't know. Okay, you want to see some indication of a higher price. For everyone's sake involved, I'm not going to make this video longer than it has to be just so you can hear me talk. Unnecessary, okay? If you liked it, leave me a like down below, comment, say, good job, Paul, it's a great video. And be sure to subscribe if you have to be new. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much.